Hello everyone, this is a brand new aircraft, Airbus A320-200, belonging to AirAsia SNHD with the registration number 9 Mike, Victor Alpha Charlie. This one.